great day to shop. And I mean a great day. So if you sold your gains, you got rid of your gains yesterday, you did good. If you didn't, too bad for you. Now you're going to pay the price for it. What does that mean? No cash to buy anything, because we've got plenty of opportunities here. But as usual, let's go down to the bottom of our list. That's the first thing we're going to do. And guarantee you that no matter what the conditions are, okay, they're both Dow and NASDAQ, they're both down big. But if we go down to the bottom right here, we will definitely find some cash. Lockheed Martin. Here we go. 5 shares, all cash right here waiting for you. Who cares if the market is down? Really, who cares? It's good for us. If you're practicing the same practice, the same trading method as everybody else, and 99.99% of all the traders out there that are chasing and they're dumping when everybody else dumps, then you deserve to lose. Here's VIX right here. See it? I've been telling you to build up some VIX positions as an insurance. Yes, I was down 300 points, $300 the other day, but I'm up today. I can dump some right now. You know what? The more the market goes down, the better for me. So bring it on. Here we go, Thor. It's another one of my recommendations. Up almost 100 points. EA, another of the recommendations. Take-Two. NOC. PSX. I know the oil and gas been going up anyway. That's across the board. But you know, there's plenty of cash you can take out from here. Right here, 17 shares, $45. Listen, all I'm saying is that if you're not practicing what you are supposed to, if you're not here on this channel, seriously, you deserve to lose money. Go ahead, practice what you're doing for years and years. You think you make money? You don't make money. You lose money. I'm not rushing right now to buy anything or sell anything. Who cares if the market's going to drop down another freaking 200 points? Doesn't matter to me. I'm just going to wait for the bottom to hit for the day, and then I'll go out shopping. That's all. No big deal. I'm not going to panic. I don't care. As I said, I was up yesterday almost $8,000, $7,000, $8,000 on a market that was barely up yesterday. That number does not mean anything. You've got to move forward. You've got to do what you need to do to practice this trading strategy. Here's Amazon. I picked up 1 share earlier. Add limit, 33.38. Dow's almost down. NASDAQ's down almost 2%. That's great. This is beautiful. This is what I want. While we at it, let me pick up an FB because I know FB's down, so I can make a note for myself. Well, I am short FB. That's great. So we'll get to that FB right now. Anyway. But here's my favorite, Boeing. Let it keep on dropping. I'll pick up some. I do have some calls against it. But this is a great day. This is just this is the kind of day you want right now to enjoy. You know what? It's going to go down today. It'll go down tomorrow. And maybe we'll have one positive day. And that positive day is going to be your gain. So sit your butt down. Don't do anything. Let's see how far drop's going to be. Because earlier, like 10 minutes after the market opened up, it looked like that was going to turn positive. But it didn't happen. So it didn't hold. Therefore, all these freaks, all these wannabe traders, they're dumping shares. They're all freaking out. I'm freaking out. Let me dump my shares because Dow's going to come down 5.5% this today. Go ahead. Freak out. Good for us. Good for me. Good for the people that are on this channel. I told you guys we'll make money together. Let's do it together. I am here with you guys. We'll do the same trading, same equities that we're going to pick up and sell, buy and sell. So we'll do this together. All right, no need to panic. Let's do some Boeing. You know what? I dumped a bunch of Boeing shares last week. I'd like to buy some more. 221.10, 221.66. You know what? Why don't I pick up 20 shares at 221? At the rate the market's going, we may get some pricing. It's 221. If not, that's okay. We got plenty of it. Plenty of other stuff to get. Again, if you're not here, just go home. Stay home. Save your money. Put your money in the bank and collect 0.001%. I think it's time maybe to drop my VIX. See, you don't want to hold on to that gain. By the way, Bubba is another one. Market's down, but Bubba's holding up. It's a good sign. Don't go buy 100 shares of Bubba right now. See? So many stocks right here. Let's see what we have in here. Where's my VIX? My beautiful insurance sitting right here. I'm up $135. I'm good, right? I could pull out $5,000 to do some more shopping. Let's take a look to see how far it went up. I'm not going to get greedy. Went up all the way to 26.54. You know what? I will dump 190 shares at 26.30. Let me take out 5G to do some shopping. Am I selling or am I buying? Somebody says something, please. I am selling. Don't make these mistakes. Here we go. I know I'm going to get 26.30 anyway. It's right around there. Okay, so I've got a little bit of cash to work with, and I've got a bunch of cash down here I can use if I want to, but I'm going to let these run a little bit more. On a down market, they're performing, they're positive. That's a good sign. So we'll let it run a little bit more. But I do want to get rid of this guy right here, Thor, THO. Not going to be that greedy. I made $80 on this. Why not? Let's see. I'll just wait. Not a lot of money. Let's see. It's a great day. I love it. I hope market dropped 500 points today. Okay, I'm waiting for this to go to 221. And it will, I'm sure. FedEx is another one I want to pick up. Nike I want to pick up. See, Nike's holding up. It's a good time to buy some Nike. I think I did add 10 shares at 146.90. Okay, so here we go. Let's do this together. You get your gains, get rid of your gains. Are you happy? Market took your gains from you. Now you're going to have to sit down to see if you can get your gains back or not. Just shut your mouth, sit down if you didn't take your gains. If you took your gains, you got lucky, you did the right thing, you were smart. If you didn't, sit down, don't do anything. Today's a dead day for you. Today's not going to happen. You lost today. Zoom, right here. Yes, I keep on adding to my Zoom positions. But I'm not going to go big on that. Here we go. Zoom. I'd like to do 3 shares. I'm down to 3 shares at a time. 263.59. I think 264 would be a good, reasonable number. You know what? Let's do 5 shares. I like 5 better. And if I don't catch it, that's okay. It'll turn. Let's see what else. Where's my FB? Okay, FB's right here. Still got a little negative right here. That's okay. Here's a go. My VIX got sold out. Okay. It's good for me. Made some money. I'm going to pick it back up soon. Again, tomorrow when everybody starts buying high. I'll dump all my gains and I'll just wait for you suckers to get back in and then I'll buy it again. Ring, I'd like to add to my ring positions. Let's keep on getting hammered. It's just getting obliterated. But it's okay because we're doing micro trading. 3 shares. 212.93. How about 213? Fair number. And I think I'm going to get it. Okay. Costco, I am short. All of these are short, so it doesn't mean anything. Unity, right here. I was going to pick up some yesterday. I didn't. It's a good time to buy some right now. Some doesn't mean 100 shares. Some only means 10 shares. Here we go. We picked up ring at 213. 10 shares only. I'm going to do see this right here? 130.30, 130.8. What does that mean? You're either going to go very low or stay away from it. If I do another refresh, it probably comes down more. You see it? It's still dropping. It can go down below 130. So why don't we just hold off on that? Or you know what? Just to prove you guys wrong, I'm going to buy 10 of them on 130. And I know I'm going to get that price immediately, and the price is going to drop below 130. We picked up a Zoom, 264. Everybody's selling. This is dropping too fast right here. I know I'm going to catch 130 immediately, okay? So, should I place order? Oh, I got my Boeing also at 221. Awesome. Should I place the order or should I change? Or I can do a refresh on it. I'm going to risk it. I'm going to go to 130. By the way, it's not a risk. This is fun play. It's never a risk. Okay, so we picked up our Boeing at 221. I'd like to go a little bit more Boeing. Why not? How about 10 shares? Okay, don't violate my own rule. 220.86, 220.86, what does that mean? Yes, it will drop. Why can't I get it at 219? Yes, let's go 220. Okay, 220. 10 shares. Now we're going to start 10 shares at a time. I got my Unity at 130. This is beautiful. This is amazing stuff happening right now, right here. I am loving it. Now everyone's freaking out. Everyone's selling. Let me just dump right now while I can. Yeah, go ahead, dump it. That's great. Because I'm going to buy some today, some tomorrow, and the market bounces one day. I'm going to cash out all of it. Now go ahead. Listen to other people. You think you're successful? Go ahead. But I'm going to take my time. Here we go. Boeing. Resisting. Market's down some over 300 points. Boeing is not budging in. It's not going over 220. But I can tell you that if it does break the 220, it'll just goes right back down. God knows, it may go down to 210. But it's holding up. It's trying not to go down with the market. My FedEx, holding up. Nike's holding up. These are good companies holding up. Well, I sold my 26.30, but it's okay. You know what? Never regret. You got your money. You will catch it again later. Not a big deal. Market's down 340 points. That is beautiful for me. Beautiful for me. That's big. So we got to go shopping. We got to do some serious shopping. I got my share of Amazon. I'd like to go down to 100 points before I buy any more. Okay, do we have any conversions here? Adobe, not much in there. I was going to pick Coupa Software yesterday. Market didn't give it to me at a price I wanted. That's okay. Market got greedy. I didn't want to buy it. Market should have sold it yesterday. Too bad for the market. But I'm going to be a nice trader and I buy 5 shares only. Let's do 5 shares. Okay, 227.50. That's all I'm going to offer. You don't like it? Get the hell out. I'll give my money to somebody else. All right, gentle. Not. Don't go crazy. 5 shares, plenty. Etsy, short. Carvana, short. All this garbage are just got to come down. Tesla, 10 points. I dumped one shares earlier, by the way, so good for me. Let's see if I can dump another one. 761, 769. No, I wanted to go lower. 2 shares. That's all I'm short on Tesla. You'd be crazy to go Tesla short big. You don't want to do that. You don't want to get crushed. Tesla will crush you like a cockroach. Zoom, see? Zoom's coming down more. We'll be patient. You see all this negative right here? This will all turn positive. Not in 5 years from now, not in 6 months, but before the end of the year, if not sooner. What else we got in here? Ring, I picked up the 3 shares. That's good. Pan W, it's still too high. Sam Beer, forget it. Costco, too much. Umbrella, not a whole lot going on there. Net, not worth picking up. Applied Material, nah, it's still too expensive. I can build up a little bit more shares right here. Logitech. We're doing this one company at a time, okay? We could do 10 more shares of it. 89.21. How about 89.50? Yeah, right? 89.50? You're probably going to get it. If not, that's okay. Microsoft, we know Microsoft's going to bounce. We know that. So why don't we pick up 10 more shares of Microsoft? Let's be a little bit more less generous. We'll do 5 shares. 287.42. We'll do a 287. Right? 287. Yeah, my Boeing kind of like bounced back. Went up over 221. And it looks like it's resisting the drop. Okay, MasterCard, still too expensive. Wix, we're not touching it. EFX, no. Albemarle, no, too expensive. Burlington, too expensive. Tree, what a nice drop. 5 points drop, but guess what? I've got calls against it. I'm recovering some of the losses on it. So I got $145 gain on it. But I'm going to wait until I get my $830. And I'm going to make money here too. No need to freak out. Just calm down. Or if you can't calm down, then you're not a trader. Okay, here's Spotify. You remember Spotify was a couple of weeks ago was 280, 270. Go look at the chart. 260, I don't know, it was up there. I didn't fall into it and start buying more of it. I'm like, you know what the hell with it? I'm gonna just wait. And maybe a good day to pick up 5 shares. Nothing more than that, only 5 shares. Because we don't know if there's gonna be more pain ahead. 227.08, 227. Look at this. How about 226? You don't give it to me, you're too expensive. By the way, let's check out the ARC shares. I like Kathy, so I hope Kathy's shares are suffering. Awesome. Look, I placed an order yesterday to buy some. The market didn't give it to me. Too bad. So why don't we go with 10 shares? We'll be generous. We'll give what she's looking for, 112.50. I know I'm going to get it right away. Then we'll add to that position. You need to do this right here with me. If you're not, get out. You're not a trader. Just really get out. Go home. Go look for a day job. Become an Uber driver. Here we go. We got ARC at 112.50. See it? I got Spotify 226, 5 shares only. Go ahead. Bring the pain. Bring more pain. I'm enjoying it. This is beautiful. 5 right here. I was going to pick up some shares yesterday. Didn't, but it's a good time to do some shares. A little bit of a buying. We're going to do 10 shares. Yeah, you know what? 5 shares. 10 is a little too generous. I think we'll drop 189. Well, maybe 189 would be a good price. Since we picked up ARC at 112.50, why don't we give Kathy a little bit more business? 112.41. And it's really resisting, which is a good sign. Nasdaq's down big. So this is resisting. So I think it's worth to pick up 10 more shares at 112.50. Let's just actually slightly change to 112.45 so we know it was two separate batches. Okay. Like I said, if you don't know what you're doing, go get a job at a pizza delivery driver. SAP. Remember SAP? I said I was so tempted to get some, but I said, you know what? Micro trading strategy. Hold your emotions. Keep your emotions back. Relax. Calm your nerves. It's a good time to buy some. Thank you, ARC. I picked up 112.45. All of these are going to be big gainers for me within a week or so. All you suckers that are selling right now, that are dumping right now, that's great for us. Because we're going to enjoy this. We're going to enjoy this comeback. We're going to enjoy this little bit of a gain. We're going to make some real good money out of this. But we're not getting excited. We're not buying a lot of stuff. Just hand selecting some stuff. That's all. We're not going crazy. SAP definitely is worth to add some more positions to it. 10 shares. 137.58. It's really down. 137.50. We may get it. If not, there's always tomorrow. Here we go. Wow. See that? What does that tell you? Don't execute it at such a high number. It's dropping down. I think we can catch a 137 even. I'm almost certain that we can catch it. So let's go back to ARC. Kathy is giving us a deal. I wouldn't mind building 100 shares of Kathy slowly today, tomorrow, if it drops tomorrow. But it looks like drop is stopped for now, so that's okay. We'll wait. What else we got in here? If you have no cash because you failed to sell all your gains yesterday, go back home. Go to sleep. Go to your bed. Go to Starbucks. Get yourself some coffee because your day's gone. Peloton. Right here. Love this company. No, I'm not going to buy any of their equipments because I'm a gym goer. I don't believe in this home equipment garbage. But I'm going to be an opportunist right now and take advantage of them. 88.50 is a good fair value for me. Right? 88.50. You don't want to sell it to me 88.50? Go sell it to another sucker. I'm not calling myself a sucker. Just call it to a sucker. Okay, take a look at my Boeing right here. I got $125 gain on my option, right? I'm in amazing shape on Boeing. I hope Boeing drops more. Gives me an opportunity to buy more. IPGP right here is another good one. Yes, it's been consistently dropping big. Okay. It's worth looking at it. By the way, I'd like to look at Google too. It's a good time to pick up Google. Let's do 10 shares of IPGP at, look at this. Look at this. I mean, it dropped from 163 to 160. Look at the market condition. Market's down big. So it probably will barely touch 160 because I think it's done dropping. But you know what? It's worth it for me to pick it up at 160.20. Let's see if I can catch it. I think I can catch it. See, it's kind of like stopped. It may go down more, but most likely it will bounce back, then will go up. So why don't we just give it what it's looking for? 160.35. Can we make a deal 160.35? Yes, we can. So we'll do 160.30. And we have a deal at 160.30. Yes, it's resisting Further drop. Here we go. Should be able to catch it. There we go. We caught it. Yeah, let's go back to what was I gonna say? I heard Wells Fargo was downgraded. Is there any good shares we could buy? Not bad, but it's coming down. They're all up there, way up there. They'll come down. See, I sold my VIX too fast. That's okay. Never regret. Never ever regret. Let's go down to see if you have any gains, by the way. Bubba's fairly still holding. EA's holding. The gaming's coming back, actually. Wow, look at this. I was going to sell Thor. See it? Up 13 points. SMG. Got some gains here. No, it's okay. I'll hold off to it. EA right here. Take two. All the gaming is coming back up. This is their turn now. Remember, they'll all take turns. For every single stock that drop, other stocks will pick up. They will have an opportunity for them to come back up. Yes, we can sell some ConocoPhillips. PSX, I believe. Because I think they've run up pretty much too high up. Well, I don't have any shares of ConocoPhillips anyway. Did somebody mean... I know I have one of them. I know I have PSX, Phillips 66. I know I can sell some. Yeah, I can sell 20 shares. Yeah, you know what? Why not? Let's dump 20 shares. They've had a pretty good run up for quite some time. So we can sell PSX, 20 shares. Sell, like some more cash. We picked up some on Microsoft. 5 shares. You see that? That is smart buying, kids. This is lovely. This is beautiful. Down's down. Dow's down. To Nasdaq's down. I'd like to pick up some more Baidu. And JD. Let's see what JD is standing for. Okay, 74.74. That's fair. How about buying 10 more shares? 74.50. Yeah, I could get it. Where else possibly you enjoy so much when the market is down? Right here, micro trading strategy. Seriously, if you're not doing it here, go ahead, join the other 99.999% that's been losing money. They have no business in being trading. Baidu. Right? And we're going to take it easy. Not 10 shares, 5 shares. We're going to do 153.50. 153.50. We'll probably catch it. Yes, we will catch it. Okay, so going back to what we were doing. Let's go back to the top of the list. Okay, we did the Logi, we did the Microsoft. Tree? Wow. Can it drop more than that? I'd like to pick up 5 more Tree. Just 5. Don't want to waste so much money. 146. Look at this. One refresh. 146 is it. We'll take it. It may drop to 145, but that's not a big deal. $5 won't kill you. So here's another one. PDD. We could pick up some shares. Drop from 212. Remember? We picked up Baidu. Let's do some PDD. We'll do 10 shares. What do you think it should be the price? I'd say 90. Okay, let's see what we'll have up here. Let's do a refresh. Market's down 417 points. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that great? That is amazing. That is great buying opportunity. Amazon, we said we're going to wait for the Amazon. Let it go down more. No rush. Let's do some conversions, by the way. Let's go back to the top right here. Adobe, this, nothing here. Cooper Software we picked up 5 shares. See this? What's our losses on 5 shares? $2.95. But if it goes back up 10 points, you make 50 bucks, which will go up, will go back up for sure. Zoom we picked up down 11 points, 55 shares. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. We have a conversion here. Workday, should we do conversion? See it? Got $18. We can convert it. Maybe we can start buying it. Avalera, I think we can convert it. But we'll wait a little longer, no rush. Tesla still up. Unity we picked up 10 shares, 130. Remember? Why don't we pick up 10 more shares? 128.66. You know what? At 128, fair deal. We can pick it up. Okay. What else we have in the ring? We don't need to pick up more. Ladder. You know what? Let me dump this guy right here. It's been holding up pretty good. It's been going up steadily. Right here, you know, the Thor may go up more, but you know what? I made my $100. I'm okay with it. Or should I hold off? Yeah, I'll hold off. It's okay. Let the market go up a little bit more so you can go up with the market. Amgen right here. You see it? Here's another beauty. You need some cash. Sell 10 shares. A little bit of a gain, but it's okay. You get some cash. Okay. Market is down big. Oh, I picked up 5. That's great. I'd like to get rid of this guy, HBI. You know, it's just annoying. It's not getting anywhere. I don't even know why I bought 10 shares of it, 12 shares. But I'm going to keep 2 shares, remember. Because we need to have the world's largest watch list. Let me sell this guy right here. Gives him a little bit more cash. So a little bit more cash in my pocket. Okay, let's go back to the top of the list. Again, anything's worth buying here. You know what? I sold Verizon yesterday. Remember Verizon? I said it's not going anywhere. I guarantee Verizon is barely budging in. See it? 8 cents. That's all. 8 cents. That's why I said it's good to have companies like Verizon in your portfolio. It gives you dividend and it keeps you sane. All right, so look, with this a little bit of a buying, I went over what needs to be bought, what needs to be sold. Lockheed Martin, okay, I'm going to wait for it to go down more to pick up some more shares. I had over 110 shares. I sold half of them at a gain. I could sell all of these right now at a gain. And a down market, I'm still going to be up 16 bucks, but it's a mistake. I'm not going to sell it because I don't need the cash. Okay, so we're in great shape. Looking at the portfolio, everything looks good. Everything looks healthy. It's nicely balanced. We don't care if Dow Jones dropped 800 points. Go ahead, give it to us. Drop 800 points. Good for us because we got still plenty of cash to work with. By the way, Nike went down 145.62. It's a good time to buy. Yeah, let's add a little bit more Nike. Nike. Let's do 10 shares. 145.60. How about 145.50? If we get it, we may get it. But it's holding up pretty good. AZN, I don't know. Let's see what AZN is. Pearson says buy some AZN. AstraZeneca. Yeah, not bad. Good call. But you know what? Problem is that it's still up there. You see, it's very close to 52-week high. It has dropped significantly today. That's a good idea. Why don't we buy 20 shares? 57.35. I'd say 57.20. That's a good call. That's a really good call, Pearson. I do 20, but you could do 10. 57.20, right? What do I have? 57.20. Yeah, I think I can catch it. What else? Anybody else wants me to buy something that they like? Taiwan Semiconductor right here. This baby is a beautiful company. I got my Boeing at 220. Awesome. Let's do some TSM. 10 shares. Nothing more than that. We're not buying 100 shares. We're not buying 50 shares. Don't be stupid. 113. That's all I'm going to give it. If I catch it, that's great. If not, you know what? Let's be a little bit more generous. It's not a big difference. It's 20 cents if I pay extra. 113.20. Let me catch it at 113.20. I do think it's a great deal. Went down to 113.19. 19 is deal. We got a deal on 19. That's not a big deal. We can come back to it tomorrow when it drops more. Okay? Let's go back to FedEx right here. I'd like to add a little bit more to my FedEx position since it's been really, really hammered. 5 shares, 224.60. 224.60. Remember the 1 p.m. rule? When the selling stops or selling, just all the buyers will want to come in after 1 because everybody already sold. It's at its lowest. All right, so what else we have in here? Well, let me add to my Boeing positions. See this? When it broke the 220, it couldn't hold up anymore. It was like, okay, free fall. I'm going to drop down. I'm going to buy 10 more shares of Boeing, 219.50. Why not? You know what? I'm going to build it up to a 100 share position. Then I'm going to sell calls on it, and I recover my money within a week or so. All of it. 219.50 is 219.60, and I may cash it 219.50. If not, that's okay. Okay, Manifest right here. You see this company right here? I was almost up fairly decent on some of the shares yesterday. I could have sold it right here, all of these right here, but I decided I'm going to hold off to it because I know I want to buy more of it. Manifest, it was up 9 points yesterday, by the way. This is the way this particular company trends. 205, it may drop to 201. God knows. But you know what? I'm buying 5 shares, not a whole lot of difference, so 205 is fair. We're doing this. Let's do this together. Oh, wait, 205. Wait. Yep, 205. It may even go lower than that. 205, 205, and sold. And we did buy it. It may drop that to 204. Who knows? Okay, ARC. You see it right here? Bought 20 shares. See, 50, 40. Let's do another 10 shares at... If you feel that your positions already, don't do more. I'm looking to buy 100 shares slowly, so I'm going to take my time. I'm going to do 112 this time. Let's see if I can catch it. Boeing's coming back up. This guy's still down. Not down. Great. Wow. We'll have our Netflix days, guys, very soon. IPGP got picked up. See it right here. 10 shares. We bought it at 160.30. It was okay. You know, you can never target that right lowest price for that date. It may go down tomorrow more, so we can catch more tomorrow. But anyway, that's all we have right now. I think I'm going to pick up some AMD. It's holding up pretty good. I know the chip sector is recovering, along with all the gaming. So why don't we buy 10 of them at 104? Any other suggestions, guys? Anything? We're good to go. We're in good shape. and leave your portfolio in autopilot right now and let it do its thing. It'll pick up whatever it's supposed to pick up. If it doesn't, that's okay. I'd like to see what Starbucks stands right now. 111. Doesn't hurt to have 10 shares of it at 111.40. Why 40? Lowest is 111.33. So it may hit 111 as well, but 111.40 would be a fair number for us. Z, honestly, I'd like to pick up some more Z. I know. You're crazy to pick it up some more Z. 10 shares. 87. 87.10. Let's go the lowest. Z was a $200 company, remember? Okay. Boeing's bouncing back. Looks like we didn't catch it to 1950. Okay, so what else? Anything else worth looking? Should I convert my FB yet? Lulu's overpriced. Etsy's overpriced. Yeah, I could do some conversion. Let's check out Thor to see if I should dump it. $100. Let's see. If it's over 125 right now, I'm going to dump it. If not, I'll just hold off to it. Nah, I'll hold off to it. 50 cents. Zen. That's a good one too, actually. Good suggestions. You're going to be a good trader. Yes, good suggestions. Modest drop. You see it? Very modest drop. See the gap right here? Day gap and weekly gap. That is a great company. 119 would be a fair number. Thank you. I should give you a commission out of it when I have some gains. You're going to be a good trader. Yep, 119. You see it? Should we execute 119 or should we be greedy and put a lower price? You know what? How much lower is going to drop? Another 40 cents, 10 cents? That's nothing. It's 4 cents. Yeah, it's 4 cents. It's not worth it. Let me do another refresh on it. I'll go 118.95. That's a good one. That's a really good suggestion. We can build. We should have picked up 119 anyway. I'll probably get a 118.95. Okay. You're killing me. I want to go. What else we got in here? Nobody else wants to make suggestions except Pearson? 118.70. Yeah, it's possible you can get it. It's possible. It's very possible. Look, we had a lot of fun today. It was great. It was delicious. It was good. I had a lot of fun. We picked up some 104. That's great. That is great. All right, so we're going to put this on autopilot. Go do your babysitting stuff, you know. Go to the gym. You put in your orders in. You've got probably about 30 or 40 orders in. Let it do its thing because tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow, we may have additional drops. Tomorrow, Friday, Thursday. So there are more drops coming. So we don't want to buy everything today. But guess what? If we don't buy everything today, and if it bounces back tomorrow, we'll make some gains. And that's the name of the game. Let's make the gains. Let's be happy. But we're safe. We're playing it safe. We're not buying everything today. Yes, we have plenty of cash we're sitting on. But who wants to buy everything today? Tomorrow's another day. We can buy more tomorrow. If it doesn't drop tomorrow, we can sell it tomorrow at a gain. All right? So go enjoy your day. And I hope you enjoyed this session. Send me your comments and subscribe if you're new. Subscribe to the channel and send me your comments on the YouTube channel if you like this. And work hard, pass your